In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make around $112 every single day with affiliate marketing using my secret trick. I'm going to reveal to you one of my strategies that I've been using to promote affiliate links very efficiently, and so if you are going to copy this strategy that I'm about to show you in today's video, you can use it yourself to start making money on the internet, and who knows, maybe in a couple of weeks you will be able to quit your job doing this. Now, this is a very simple strategy that will work for anybody worldwide, requires zero experience, literally anybody can do this, and it's going to work for you without investing a single cent of your money into this. Not only that, I'm going to show you the exact niche that I've been promoting these past couple of weeks that is so hot, that is so in demand right now, that there's literally no way you're not going to make any money with this. But before we get into all of that, I would like to kindly ask you to smash that like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm. And also, I upload a couple of videos every single week where I'm teaching you how to make money online. So to never miss out on any of my future uploads, just make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. So as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll get to watch it right away and make the most amount of money with it. Okay, now what you want to do first is just go to Google and look for this site right here. Type in ClickBank and hit search, and what you want to do is just go to this site that's called clickbank.com. Now this is the affiliate marketplace that I've been using with this method, and it has proven very effective, but you can do this literally for any other affiliate marketplace out there. You can also do this for any niche that you want, but in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm making over $112 every single day with this method on ClickBank for free, and I'm also going to show you the exact affiliate offer that I've been promoting lately and had great results with, so you can go ahead and replicate the same results that I had. Now if you don't want to use ClickBank, just go ahead and use any other affiliate marketplace that you want, but if you're going to follow exactly what I'm doing, just go to ClickBank, and if you're new here, you may want to sign up for your free account. Now just don't click on start here if you're new to ClickBank. What you want to do is just simply click on login and use this button right here to create your account. This way you will skip an annoying survey that they are putting to all new ClickBank members, and it will save you a couple of minutes of your precious time. Then once you complete the registration, you just simply log into ClickBank, and in the affiliate marketplace here, you can see there are a bunch of niches that you can promote using this same method, but the exact niche that's so hot right now, that's making thousands of dollars to people all around the world, is exactly in the health and fitness section. Reason for that is, if you're going to go to health and fitness section, you can see you've got many products promoting dietary supplements, diet and weight loss, and exercise and fitness. Now if you're watching this video right now when I'm releasing it at the end of February, this is the best time right now to be promoting dietary and fitness programs, because the thing is, most people are trying to get into shape before summer arrives, and they will be looking for every possible solution out there. So if you're going to be promoting diet and weight loss products right now, you will have the highest chance to make money with this niche. So just go to, for example, to diet and weight loss section, and if you're going to scroll through all of these offers, you want to find one that is very high converting sales page, and it's not exactly very expensive. Now the exact product that I've been promoting and had great results with is this one right here. It's called Old School New Body. If you're going to check this out, it's going to pay you around $30 for each of these conversions and has gravity score of around 24, but as you can see right here, for every sale you're going to make, you are going to be receiving almost $5 in recurring commissions. And also, one of the reasons why I've been promoting this exact product is that if you are going to go to their sales page, you can see that this page is providing value first. It's going to give you 5 steps how to actually lose weight before even trying to sell you anything. So as you can see right here, you've got step number 1 right here. If you're going to go to next page, there's step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, step number 5, and if you're going to click on next, now you get to the sales page that's going to be doing the selling. Now actually, this is one of the most important aspects in affiliate marketing. If you are going to provide value first, which this sales page did in the form of 5 steps how to actually lose weight, people are actually that much more likely to buy something from you when they see the actual price tag. Now if you're going to scroll all the way down here on this sales page, you can see this product is selling for $50 regularly, but they're offering a discount to $20. But this is not everything. If I try to close this page, you can see there's this pop-up right here that's offering to buy this product for just $1 single. So once somebody is going to try to close this page after they received all the free value first, they will see they can subscribe to this program for just $1 single. That's actually a very nice discount, and most of the people are doing it. So just go ahead and use this exact same offer that I show you. It's called Old School New Body. But again, if you don't want to use this exact affiliate offer, just go ahead and pick one that you like the most. And if you want to increase your chance to make a sale with it, just make sure it provides value first. So to promote this offer, just simply click on promote button right here. Then just simply write in your ClickBank nickname, and now you get your own affiliate link. Now what you want to do is actually make this look a little bit more appealing to the eye, because as you can see, this is right now just a mix of numbers and letters, and if somebody is going to see it like this, they will probably not want to click it. So what you want to do is just copy this link and go to bit.ly.com. You don't have to use exactly bit.ly for this, but I'm going to show you one hidden trick why I've been using it, and it's a feature that I haven't seen on most of the pages that are out there, so for that reason I like using bit.ly. So what you can do is just sign up for free using your Gmail account, then just log in, section, then go to create new link right here, click on link, paste your affiliate link into this first field right here. And the reason why I like using Bitly is because you can customize the back half of your link. You can literally type in what you want your link to look like. It's obviously going to have Bitly in the front, but for the back half of the link, you don't have to have this soup of numbers and letters. You can actually make it appealing to the eye. So for that reason, I like to put in there something like get fit before summer or something like that. That's going to actually hint to the people that are looking to lose weight before summer that they can get a fix for their problem just by clicking on this link. Then just simply click on create right here, and now you get your link that's ready to be promoted instead of this one generated by ClickBank right here. So what you want to do is just copy this link, and now we need to drive the highest amount of relevant traffic to it, and for that I've been using Facebook to a great success. If you don't have a Facebook account, just register for one, and once you log into Facebook, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and you want to type in there something like, then just search for that, and as you can see right here, you've got multiple of these weight loss support groups that are ranging anywhere from hundreds of followers all the way to hundreds of thousands of followers. So this means literally there's hundreds of thousands of people out there that you can promote your weight loss program to, and because they are actually trying to actively lose weight, otherwise they wouldn't be following these groups, you will have that much easier time promoting it to these people. So what you want to do is just go to one of these groups. For example, let's go with this one, and as you can see right away, other people are already promoting weight loss products, but if you check it out, they're doing a very poor job of it. For example, if you check out this post right here, that's promoting something called Alpiline. If you've been to ClickBank affiliate marketplace a couple of times, you can see that it's #1 product that you're going to see once you click on health and fitness niche. But you don't want to be just spamming your affiliate link in comment section as this guy is doing right here. You can see he's doing it on multiple posts. He's just spamming this link in the comment section. What you want to do is just create a post that is going to be very enticing and people are actually going to want to visit your affiliate link. Now to do that, what you want to do is create something, for example, like this post right here, that's actually showing something before and after. Now I'm not going to go into details why this works, but it's the #1 method that's being used to promote a bunch of stuff. Now you may be wondering where you are going to get such images that are showing something before and after, and the simple answer to that is just go to Google and search for something like this, weight loss before and after. Then just hit on search and go to images, and as you can see, there's literally hundreds of photos out here that are showing something before and after. But the problem with most of these images is they are probably copyrighted and you can't just use them to promote stuff without running into trouble. Now there's actually a way to fix that, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So pay close attention because this is very important. What you want to do is just go to this section where it says tools, and then in this usage rights, you want to select Creative Commons license. Just click on that and you will get all of these images that are not copyrighted. So what you want to do is just choose one of these. For example, let's go with this one right here. Simply just click on it and download it to your computer. Then just go back to Facebook, and what you want to do is create a post with the image that you have downloaded. Just simply add the image to your post and then write something like this. Summer is almost here and people are looking to get into shape. It's not always an easy journey, but as you can see below, one of my clients has made a tremendous change in a couple of months. Read the whole story here. Then just paste your shortened custom Bitly link right here. So it's going to say something like get fit before summer, because right now it seems like a link to some blog post or something. That's very important. And if you're going to use a right image, this is exactly the post that you want to be posting that will get the right kind of traffic to your source. Then what you want to do is just simply post this to Facebook, and it may not get posted right away in some groups, but what you want to do is just go ahead and do this for as many of these groups as you possibly want to. That way you will get the most amount of traffic to your affiliate link, and because the sales page is offering value first and it's actually product that's not that expensive, you can score a lot of sales doing this. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method. If you did, just go out there, put it to work, make some money with it, and after you make some money with it, just return to this video and down in the comments do let me know how much money you have made using this, or if you had any problems with this method, just do let me know down in the comments and I will do my best to try to fix them. Now if you want to see some more money making content, just try checking out this video right here or this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.